अफ्रीका दौरे पर जाएंगे विराट कोहली। मैंने कभी आराम नहीं मांगा, ये विराट कोहली ने कहा है। सिलेक्शन से 1.5 घंटे पहले मुझे बताया गया, सिलेक्शन से 1.5 घंटे पहले मुझे बताया गया, ये विराट कोहली ने बताया, ये विराट कोहली ने कहा है। और इससे पहले कल खबर आई थी कि विराट कोहली निजी कारणों की वजह से ओडीआई नहीं खेलेंगे। विराट कोहली की तरफ से कहा गया है, बोर्ड को बताया गया है और रोहित शर्मा को कप्तान भी बनाया गया। ऐसे में अब दक्षिण अफ्रीका के दौरे पर जाएंगे विराट कोहली, खबर ये आ रही है। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने कभी आराम मांगा ही नहीं, सिलेक्शन से 1.5 घंटे पहले मुझे बताया गया, ये विराट कोहली का कहना है। मैंने कभी आराम नहीं मांगा, ओडीआई मैच है और उसको लेकर मैं उपलब्ध हूं, ये कहा है विराट कोहली ने। दक्षिण अफ्रीका दौरे पर विराट कोहली जा रहे हैं, मैंने कभी आराम नहीं मांगा है। सुबह खेल मंत्री अनुराग ठाकुर ने भी बयान दिया कि जो भी टसल चल रही है, खेल से बड़ा कोई नहीं होता। बीसीसीआई को यानी कि बोर्ड को इस मामले को सुलझा लेना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए कि है क्या। तो सिलेक्शन से 1.5 घंटे पहले मुझे बताया गया, मैं उपलब्ध हूं साउथ अफ्रीका के मैच के लिए, साउथ अफ्रीका के दौरे के लिए, ये विराट कोहली का कहना है। और इसके साथ ही एक बड़ा बयान भी दिया है सौरव गांगुली के खिलाफ विराट कोहली ने, वो भी हम आपको बता देते हैं। फिलहाल एक बार फिर से दोहरा दूं, उन्होंने कहा विराट कोहली ने सौरव गांगुली का नाम लिया है। वो कह रहे हैं कि सौरव गांगुली झूठ बोल रहे हैं, मैंने कभी आराम मांगा ही नहीं, मैंने कभी आराम मांगा ही नहीं, मुझे सिलेक्शन से 1.5 घंटे पहले बताया गया।
He's injured obviously and I wish him a speedy recovery and that he comes back soon. Thank you.
Abhishek, Rohit followed by Arani. Abhishek, go ahead. Abhishek, if you can hear us, you can go ahead with your question. Alright, if you are not able to ask your question, you can send it on chat. Arani, you can go ahead. Arani. Okay, there seems to be some audio issue there. Srinjoy, you can go ahead with the question.
Hi Virat, you have mentioned this before as well, how mentally tough one has to be to thrive in sport. So when there's so much happening all around, some decisions are going against you, or just as you mentioned, as late as 1.5 hours before a selection call, maybe you're not quite in the right frame of mind as you'd love to be ahead of such an important tour. How do you switch off and deal with it? Like, what's your coping mechanism like?
Well, nothing can derail me from being motivated to play for India, to be prepared for a tour like this and to perform to the best of my abilities. Nothing has ever derailed and nothing can derail me from that. Yeah, a lot of things that happen on the outside are not ideal and not always how one expects them to be. But you have to understand there's only so much that you can do as an individual, and we have to keep the things in right perspective and do the things that you can as an individual in my control. So I'm very focused, I'm very mentally prepared and very excited to go to South Africa and do the best that I can for the team and make the team win.
Alright, we'll move to the next question to Subhayan. Subhayan, go ahead.
Hi Virat. Virat, I just wanted to know that now that you are a pure batter in the limited overs format, first of all, it is not easy to give up captaincy. So how do you take that one personally, and do you feel it will leave an impact on your batting as well positively?
Well, I can't comment on whether it will leave a positive impact on my batting or not. I don't think those things anyone can predict. I have taken a lot of pride in performing as a captain as well for the team, and I have done the best that I could. I think what I know is that my motivation levels to perform for the team will not dip at all, and I will always be prepared and eager to perform in the same manner. And about captaincy, as I said, I think one thing I can say is that I've been honest to my responsibility, and I've done it to the best of my potential or whatever I could. And that I've been absolutely honest to that job. So yeah, that's my assessment of my limited overs captaincy. And the batting, look, of course, when you know you've been doing well for a long time at the international level. You know how to perform. So those things can never go away from you. And it's just about understanding your roles and understanding the situation that you're going to play in and making sure that you perform to the team.
We'll take last few. Kuntal, you can go ahead with your question, followed by Vaibhav Bhula. Kuntal. I guess we can't hear Kuntal. All right, Vaibhav Bhula, you can go ahead with your question.
विराट भाई, आपसे ये चीज़ पूछना चाहेंगे जो आपने क्लियर किया कि 1.5 घंटा पहले सिर्फ आपको ये बताया गया कि अब आप हिंदुस्तान के वनडे कप्तान नहीं रहने वाले हैं, लेकिन आपने तो हमेशा इस बात को क्लियर किया था कि आप 2023 तक हिंदुस्तान की कप्तानी वनडे क्रिकेट में करना चाहते हैं।
जी, ये सवाल था कि क्या
नहीं, सवाल ही था। आपने तो हमेशा क्लियर किया था कि आप 2023 तक हिंदुस्तान के वनडे कप्तान रहना चाहते हैं।
जी, मतलब जब T20 कैप्टेंसी को छोड़ने की मैंने पहले बीसीसीआई से कम्युनिकेट किया, सबसे पहले मैंने बीसीसीआई को अप्रोच किया कि मेरा ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, ये डिसीजन है और इन रीजंस की वजह से मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, तो उसको बहुत एक अच्छे तरीके से रिसीव किया गया। उसमें कोई ऑफेंस नहीं थी, उसमें कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं थी, उसमें मुझे ये नहीं कहा गया था कि आप T20 कैप्टेंसी ना छोड़िए, बल्कि उसको बहुत अच्छे से रिसीव किया गया कि बहुत एक प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेप है और सही डायरेक्शन में है। तो उस टाइम मैंने कम्युनिकेट किया था कि जी हाँ, मैं ओडीआई और टेस्ट में कंटिन्यू करना चाहूँगा, अनलेस कि ऑफिस बेयरर्स और सिलेक्टर्स को लगे कि मुझे ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं करनी चाहिए, और ये भी मैंने कॉल पे क्लैरिफाई किया था उस टाइम पे। तो मेरा कम्युनिकेशन बीसीसीआई को क्लियर था उस टाइम से कि मैं क्या करना चाहता था, और मैंने ये जैसे बोला कि मैंने ये ऑप्शन भी दिया था कि अगर ऑफिस बेयरर्स और सिलेक्टर्स को लगता है कि मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए तो वो डिसीजन उनके हाथ में है।
Bhushan, you can go ahead with your question. Bhushan, if you're there. All right, Amay, if you're there.
Yeah, so Captain, India played brilliantly to win their last test in South Africa in Joburg in 2018. How inspiring will those memories be for the team ahead of the upcoming series?
Sorry, I lost you.
India played brilliantly to win the last test in South Africa in Joburg in 2018. So how inspiring will those memories be for the team going ahead in the series?
We can take a lot of motivation from that, of course. I mean, we probably won in the toughest conditions on that tour. So that should give us a lot of confidence that if we have the right mindset and we start off the series with a lot of confidence and belief, we can definitely stand up to any challenge that comes our way and take a lot of heart from it. I think South Africa is one place where we have not won a series yet, so we are very motivated to do that. And the mindset is always to go out there and win a series in any country that we play with. We don't anymore think of just winning a test match here and there, and we will do our absolute best that we can as a team to make sure that we keep contributing towards that cause. And yeah, as you rightly said, we will take a lot of motivation and a lot of belief from that victory.
Final two questions. Mr. R. Kaushik, if you can go ahead with your question. If you can hear us, or you can send it on chat.
I can hear you.
Go ahead.
Yeah, that it was probably the tour of South Africa 4 years back, which became the springboard for India's bid to dominate in all parts of the world. So, how excited are you at returning to a place with the opportunity of creating history, and what is it that makes playing in South Africa probably more challenging than some of the other places you played in?
Yeah, I mean, South Africa was really the start for us as a team, traveling and starting to believe that we can win series overseas. We built it up nicely in England, and then Australia was an accumulation of all that effort. South Africa presents a different kind of challenge. As I said, the wickets have a lot of pace and bounce, and you need to be at your absolute best to be able to perform there and get runs, get difficult runs. Something that we have tried to do as a team, but probably left ourselves a bit too much to do at certain times where sessions have gone very bad when they've gone bad, which is something that we've controlled really nicely in the recent past with more experience and guys understanding conditions and how to play in these kind of conditions against switch bowlers, and how to transition their innings through the day so they can battle on. So I think we are very well placed in terms of experience and belief and confidence that this time around we can do something special and get the results that we want as a team, and overcome probably the toughest conditions to go and win a series. Thank you.
All right. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Anand, you had asked for chat questions. I can see something popping up there.